Apple is reportedly preparing to launch its first ever folding phone alongside the iPhone 18 Pro lineup in September 2026. Although the company is keeping everything tightly under wraps, excitement is rising fast as new leaks continue to surface, including a recently shared video of a dummy model. This isn't the first iPhone Ultra dummy we've seen, but this latest version looks more refined and closer to a real prototype compared to earlier mock-ups like the one shown by Unbox Therapy. The video, shared to Majin Buu on X, reveals a short, wide, foldable design that matches earlier leaks. However, the source of this model is still unknown, and it may simply be based on leaked concepts. Unlike older basic mock-ups that looked like simple metal shells, this new dummy appears more advanced, with sections that resemble display panels. In the footage, the phone is slightly hard to open with one hand, and once unfolded, it looks very flexible, suggesting the hinge is still far from Apple's final version. The screen crease also looks quite visible, likely because it's just a placeholder layer instead of a real display. Still, it offers a clearer idea of Apple's direction. We can also see the USB-C port, buttons, speakers, and a large rear camera bump. Even with a dual lens setup, the camera housing is expected to make it thicker than any previous iPhone. As these dummy units spread, case makers are already jumping in with early designs, increasing the hype even more. But the big question is, what real purpose will this device serve? While flip phones are popular for their compact feel, larger foldables often struggle to justify their use beyond a bigger screen for multitasking. Still, one thing is clear: the leaks are just getting started, and Apple's foldable journey is becoming one of the biggest tech stories of 2026. Apple's very first foldable iPhone is already creating massive excitement across the tech world, and accessory makers are racing to prepare for its highly anticipated debut. Long before Apple officially unveils a device, case manufacturers quietly begin designing accessories using leaked CAD renders and prototype dummy units. In this ultra-competitive industry, timing and accuracy mean everything. Earlier this year, famous Apple leaker Sonny Dixon shared foldable iPhone dummy units online, giving accessory brands an exclusive early glimpse at what could become Apple's most revolutionary iPhone yet. Fresh listings discovered by French Apple-focused platform iPhonesoft reveal a sleek foldable iPhone case design featuring an ultra-slim profile, dual rear camera cutouts, and a circular magnetic ring built for MagSafe-style accessories. Accessory brand iPhoneSmart says the case includes military-grade drop protection, powerful N52 magnets, a premium translucent matte finish, 1.5mm raised camera protection, and a 1mm elevated display bezel for extra durability. The leaked design closely matches earlier rumors and prototype dummy units, giving Apple fans a clearer look at the company's foldable future. Only 2 camera cutouts are visible, supporting reports that Apple may remove the telephoto lens for a thinner and lighter design. A camera control button cutout is visible, while the action button appears missing. The case also uses a smart multi-piece snap-on design to support the foldable hinge mechanism. Rumors suggest Apple could unveil the foldable iPhone alongside the iPhone 18 Pro lineup in fall 2026. Expected features include a 5.5-inch outer display, a 7.8-inch inner screen, the A20 Pro chip, dual 48-megapixel cameras, and Touch ID built into the side button. With a price near $2,000, it could become Apple's boldest iPhone ever. The excitement surrounding Apple's first foldable iPhone is finally starting to feel real, and this latest leak makes it even more thrilling. According to well-known leaker Jason C. Apple could be preparing a bold new device, possibly called the iPhone Ultra, designed to redefine what a smartphone can be.